In this video, I am going to show you how to make a Valentine's Day card. Wow, I like making Valentine's Day cards, right? Yeah, so do birthday cards, but you're just gonna give your friend such a lovely, nice present. And it is so easy that you can do it just in less than a minute. It's never too hard though. So why don't, if you can make one, just follow along the steps in this video. Okay, so first of all, choose a different type of color of paper. Yeah, let's go for start for the card first. So pick any of what you want. I'm gonna go for the pink one. Yeah, you can use any different kinds of colors, like the one I have, purple, blue, probably yellow, orange. Okay, so now we're just gonna fold it first into a sandwich. So you should fold it onto the side that you're just folding. And that is a perfect one. Yep. Take a look at that. Okay, so now grab a different color aside from the one color that you chose. Okay, so I'm gonna go for the purple next, and we're gonna go for the heart. Okay, so I'm gonna make a heart. So to do this, all you have to do is to fold it in half again. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a pencil or pen or fine liner, and we're just gonna draw a half side of a heart. So just drawing just a half side of a heart. And next, what you're gonna do is to cut along with the sides that you just drew. And make sure that it's both cut in double layer. It should be cut in double layer so that if you do this, then you will see of how it looks. Okay. So now once if I show this to you out, then it looks like a lovely heart. Yeah. So now, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna glue the heart here in front of a card. So all you need to do is is to apply glue. So let's apply glue here. Yeah, so you have to apply glue first. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then you stick it onto the center. Mm-hmm. Like this on the front cover that you're making. And there you go. There you have that the Valentine's Day card you made. Yeah. Isn't it fun? So, I don't think it's done yet, but you need to write it inside of a card. Like, just gonna write for example. Yeah, because even though if I don't have a fine liner, I can use a pen. But this one doesn't have ink, so let me just go grab one. Okay. So yeah, you can write a text down like wishing you a happy Valentine's Day. Or you can write whoever's your secret Valentine, like, thank you so much, you're my best Valentine. Yeah, or you can simply write Happy Valentine's Day. It's up to you of what is your different way to say during Valentine's Day. And you can also decorate with stickers. Yeah, I know you can also decorate with stickers or something like that, but I don't have any stickers, you know? Well, you can just keep using your construction felts. Like, it's like when you're making a sticker. Yeah, but even though that I don't add any types of stickers to this, but I want to show you is you can draw these types of designs in front of your Valentine's Day card cover that you just made. Yep, you can just draw anything. Yeah. Yeah, so isn't it easy that how you can create your Valentine's Day card? It doesn't have to be exact as mine though. You can just create a type of your Valentine's Day card. Yeah, any type of colors you want. Yeah, 2 colors, any type of size you want, like the heart shape. Yeah, doesn't have to be the exact size as mine. And also like any type of designs you want, the other types, it's up to you. And also the text of Happy Valentine's Day is what I just said in more than a minute or 2 minutes ago. Not sure. and the possibilities are endless. So hope you enjoy this video, and please give a thumbs up. And if you want to know about how you can create the one, it's okay because I typed the rules added in the description down below so you can know. Plus, you can just write down in the comments below about this and how do you like making about this. Well, it's really fun, yeah. So have a happy Valentine's Day, everyone.